So here we are in the centre of Kyiv, and we are looking at those wrecked and burnt out Russian vehicles. That looks like an MTLB that are on display as a kind of reminder of when Kyiv was under attack from the Russians. I'm going to waddle on down, see this self-propelled howitzer here with a beautiful background of these buildings and the church down there, and you've got these statues that did have sandbags around them. They've taken the sandbags away, and you should be able to see now that there is a armoured vest on that statue, which is quite poignant. And you have there a BMP behind, and these vehicles that are Ukrainian vehicles that were shot up as well. We'll waddle on. That's a Tochka missile, I think, there. And some of these are incredible to look at and in. There's a Ukrainian vehicle. There's a Volkswagen vehicle over there with about 50 bullet holes in that you can see. Some of these are really wrecked. These armoured personnel vehicles of differing types, in infantry mobility vehicles. But yeah, you can see these bullet holes on the Volkswagen. They were determined to stop that. Lots of bullet holes all over it. And then in here you can see what happens when a vehicle is hit with an explosive device. You know, whether it's an anti-tank guided missile or whatever, these vehicles burn and they just oxidize. So it looks like they're just sat here rusting, but actually that would have been the case of the explosive device causing that, or fire causing that. We look inside here. That's what it looks like from the inside. I don't know exactly what this vehicle is, Tiger or something, Tiger M, something like that, I don't know. But yeah, pretty incredible. But let's go and look at the back of a couple of these others. Mark, who was in the British Armies with us, said, you know, not this particular vehicle, but getting in the back of the MTLB, he said he would have absolutely struggled. He's clearly not big enough to do that with ease. Sorry, he's too big to do that with ease. These hatches, I mean, goodness me, they're tiny inside, and I guess, you know, in a panic trying to get out of there is going to be fun and games. But yeah, incredible to see this finally after having seen it on other videos. That's fine. But yeah, there you go. Here we are in Kyiv.